Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I want to show you how to do the Terminator squat. I'm silly, I'm sorry. I like this way of squatting because it's a great way to work on mobility and a great way to strengthen your legs. So all you do is you pretend like you're the Terminator and you've just arrived into the past or the future, whatever, and you stand up. So this is it. And I really like this squat because it puts the gait pattern into the motion. So opposite limbs are moving together. And we've done similar movements before, but this part right here is cool because it looks like the Terminator has just arrived on the scene. And you can be naked if you want to. You do this by yourself. It would be just like the Terminator at that point. But this is fantastic though for getting mobility in the hips and the ankles and the knees. And you can put just as much weight on the leg that you're focusing on as you want to. So I can use this back foot to help me lower down, to take some of the load off. Or I can try to get down as far as I can until I need to put the foot on the floor because I'm running out of room to not put the foot on the floor. But again, a great way to strengthen the legs, work on mobility, and you're throwing the gait pattern in, so it's really good for the nervous system. And again, if you're doing the other side, you just landed on the scene, you survey the situation. You can add head nods into it, so I look down, go into the Terminator arrival, look up, rise up out of it. So now we are double dipping 3 ways. I guess that's triple dip or triple dipping. We've got the gait pattern, we've got the single leg squat, and we're adding head nods into the mix. Anyway, really simple move, fantastic move. So give that a shot and see what you think. I think you're gonna have fun. You can do it naked if you want to, and it'd be just like the Terminator. Don't do it in public if that's the way you want to do it. But anyway, have fun. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.